And it goes a little something like.
Good morning, humans of this earth. Today is Wednesday. I'm so glad today's a public holiday. I got to sleep in, which I'm so grateful for, but I need to go get some breakfast and then I need to fix this room. To put away like some clothes I didn't have time to put away during like the beginning of the week, so I'm just gonna do that now. Just fix up a bit. I'm trying to find somewhere that I can put you guys as we speak. Done with the clothes section. I'm just gonna fix up here a bit, and we are done, and we're done with that part. Now I'm just gonna get something to eat, and then so for today's plan is basically just I want to do like a spa treatment for my face today, just a pamper sesh, and then I have to go film a video with a friend. And then oh yeah, I have an event on Friday, Bridebox. I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but Bridebox, there's an event on Friday and I have to pick an outfit for that. I don't know what I'm wearing. It's like a cocktail evening party and I don't know what I'm wearing yet, so I need to figure that out. And also on Twitter I just came across The Ordinary, like the brand, this year is closing temporarily and I don't know how I feel about that. I'm so annoyed because I love their products and they have such high quality products for an affordable price, and I'm not ready to go back to like expensive skincare, you know what I mean? Their products are the truth and I'm almost running out in a few of their products, so I don't know if I'll be able to get them. Brought to you by Del Monte. I'm kidding, it's not sponsored. Since I'm trying to make like these vlogtobers interesting, I'm gonna do a like get to know me tag. I'm just gonna answer a few random questions so you guys can get to know me better, because I know I don't talk about myself that much usually. So what is your middle name? What do you mean middle name? I don't think I have a middle name. Farah, maybe, I don't know. So my name is Yasmin Abdurrahman Farah. That's my name. So I guess my middle name is Farah, but it's not my name. That's like my grandfather's name. What was your favorite subject at school? I had two favorite subjects, but if you ask everyone that I went to high school with, they're probably gonna tell you chemistry. But I loved chemistry. Chemistry is one of my favorite subjects ever, and I also loved French. I took like French for like about 5 years, and I absolutely love it. What's your favorite food? Favorite food? Do I have a favorite food? To be honest, I don't know. Anything with avocado is my favorite food. What is the last thing you bought? The last thing I bought were a pair of flats, if I'm not wrong, from Mr. Price. Let me show you these cute mules. This is the last thing I bought. It's just a pair of nice, mine are kind of dirty, I've worn them before but they are these cute mules from Mr. Price, and they are very, why do I sound like a man? And they are very adorable and neutral, and they have like this nice grainy like woven texture that I really like, and it's neutral. Favorite restaurant? Okay, so I am big on like food and restaurants, and I don't think I found my favorite restaurant that I would go to every single time and not get bored. That's the problem with Kenya. Like, I don't know, the food quality is not 100% at every restaurant. There's no restaurant I've gone to and I've said, wow, this is the best food I've ever tried. You know what I mean? Like, the food is good, some better than the others, but there's none that I have seen and been like, oh wow, like the best restaurant I've ever been to. I've never tried food like this before. I don't think I've ever come across time like that. When was the last time you cried? Funny story, I did cry recently. I would say about 2-3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago maybe. and it was a good time. I'm not a crier naturally, like I never cry, so for me to cry it has to take me a lot for me to cry, and when I do cry it feels so good. But yeah, I never cry. Favorite movie? This is so hard. Why do people keep asking favorites? I never have like a favorite something. That's the hardest thing to ask me. Like I never have a favorite something because my taste changes, I feel like, so much so quickly. So I'm just gonna say like my favorite types of movies, like the genre that I like. I really like crime shows. My favorite, I do like horror movies and like thrillers. My favorite are like drama. Comedy, maybe like not the biggest fan, but I don't mind watching them. And then I don't watch romance, barely. I have watched like the classics, but I wouldn't say they're my favorite movies. How tall are you? Okay, people assume I'm tall. Like I get that a lot, and it's kind of is irritating, like when I meet people in person and they're like, oh, I really thought you're taller in person. Like, I thought you're really taller in person. Your pictures make you look tall. Like, that's the whole point. It's Instagram. But I am 5'4". As much I don't like to admit it, but I'm 5'4". Can you cook? I feel I can cook. Although I'm not like top chef or like master chef or anything, but I feel like I can throw down a good meal if I put my energy in it. And that's it. Those are all 25 questions that I answered. That was so quick. Okay, update. It's just a few hours later and I'm just chilling. My friend that I was supposed to film with decided to postpone, so I think we're gonna film on Saturday, which is great because that means I have more alone time for me. And currently I just had like a toast, which is over. Let me show you guys. I just had toast, which is done, dusted, and I'm catching up on my show, which is How to Get Away with Murder, she wrote. So that's what we're doing now, just chilling, nothing much. I'm just gonna watch my show and I'll catch you guys later when I have something interesting to do later. Okay guys, it's currently a little bit late, but then I'm finally back home and I want to share with you guys like some options I had for Friday because I don't know what I'm gonna wear. And my lips need like a little bit of lip balm. What options I have so far, I'm not sure what I'm gonna go with. You guys are gonna see. I guess you guys are just gonna see like the final outfit through the end of this vlog. Okay, so the first option is this abaya. It's just, I don't know if you can tell the fabric. It's satin and it's a very lovely like purpley pinky thing going on, but it's just plain and it has like this blush nude belt that I would wear with it. I'm not sure if I like it enough, or I could just go with like a regular black abaya that I have. This is a recent one to my collection. It's very pretty. It has like this beaded detail on like the sleeves area. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the third option. It's like a very, it looks grey on camera, but it's like grey with pink undertones, and it has this lovely like tribal marks at the bottom, and the bottom are like pleated. It has the same design like on the sleeves. This one looks so nice, but the problem is I don't know if I should wear, I don't have a scarf this color. Sorry, I don't have a scarf this color, and I definitely have black, but I feel like with the black I'll be clashing unless I'm wearing black all inside, and then yet again that is predictable. You are a summer and after. Yeah. You are a summer and I'll keep you. So it's Friday, we're finally here at the venue. We came to check it out before everything is set up, then I can go and like dress up and all that stuff and get ready, blah blah blah. But for now we're gonna check out the venue and see like the before so we can check out the after. Obviously gonna decorate and get ready. This place already has like their own furniture and everything, so they're gonna just like basically arrange it the way we wanted it to, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just got back home from the venue while they're fixing up. I just came back to like get dressed and get ready. The event is starting like in about 2 hours or so, so I'm just gonna get ready quickly and then head over there. Bye.
Category is bring it to the runway. Category is stars, statements, and legends. What category are you walking in?
Femme Queen Realness.
Tens across the board. Hold that pose for me. DJ, start the music. Category is... Category is... Category is...
Sugary sweet confection, bad for your teeth, spicy red hot chocolatey. I'm minty fresh, but it ain't for free. Legendary queen from NYC, sassy, never shady. Classy, but I can still take it to the street, so you know you better never try to come for me. Season 9, out the gate, finish line, no time to wait. 10 queens down, mommy, free to go. And I'm bringing bitches out like domino.
Guys, it's hours later. I'm finally ready for the event. It's like 6 something. I need to head there now. It's about to begin. They need a few things from me, so I'm gonna get going. This is my outfit. I'm wearing these lovely chunky earrings, and then I'm also wearing this maroon dress. So pretty. It's like buttoned all the way down, and then I'm wearing my black heels. Let me see.
That I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now.
Guys, wait, guys, let's go with you, man. Watch yourself. Tell them. Oh my God. What do I say? What do I say now? She's like the bombest makeup artist.
Oh my God.
She represents us Somalis so well.
But I swear, when I'm ready, I will fly us out of it.
Okay guys, we just took pictures with that babe right there, and we're about to go like get the cocktails and whatnot. I'm so tired. Okay, let me just tell you how tired I am, and it's so freaking loud. Wait, honey, wait. Let's go get drinks downstairs.
Hey guys, good morning. So today's Saturday, the next day, and I realized I didn't sign out this vlog. From last night, it was heavy, a lot of stuff was going on, so I just want to say thanks for watching. I'm just gonna end this vlog here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and support. Click the bell notification to be notified whenever we post, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.
Strangely, he feels at home in this. But strangely, he feels at home in this. Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it.